GCP Service. Make your study better. The current manner in which most clinical trial quality systems are implemented by sponsors and their CROs is generally acknowledged to be costly and time-consuming, and constitutes a significant share of the cost of drug development. Implementing these systems often lead to achieving a good quality clinical trial. However, it is expensive and too many trials still remain in which avoidable quality problems arise, as evidenced by the nature and extent of findings identified by European and US GCP inspectors during inspections they carried out. Due to the importance of the implementation of quality risk management systems, the EMA and FDA have created guidelines reflecting the expectations of the authorities based on the ICH Q9 document on quality risk management that was adopted on Step 4 at the ICH Steering Committee meeting on the 9th of November 2005. GCP Service has developed a quality-controlled trial management system, Qctms, that offers much more than any other systems currently available. Qctms is provided as an effective risk management tool to identify and evaluate risks before problems occur, in accordance with ICH Q9. Most companies currently use traditional quality management methods involving audits and checklists. They are able to audit approximately 5 to 10% of all study centers in any given trial. In the case of a clinical study with 100 study centers, this method would mean that not more than 5 to 10 of these sites would be audited. The audit results describe these particular sites in a very detailed manner. However, the validity of their findings is very low due to the comparatively low number of sites that had actually been audited. Despite high costs and many efforts auditors spend, audits are not suitable tools to improve the quality of medium-sized or large clinical studies. In order to get a better overall overview of a particular study, many sponsors and CROs use Excel sheets to process quality-related information within a clinical trial. For multi-center studies with a high number of patients, the maintenance of study information in Excel sheets is very time and cost-intensive. Use of these Excel sheets only marginally improves the study's quality as a result. According to EMA and FDA, the complexity and size of clinical studies are increasing continuously. So as to avoid similar increases in manpower and costs, sponsors require a system that assumes the oversight function normally carried out by project managers. The system should work similarly to that of a lighthouse in that it issues risk-based signals to the user. GCP Service has developed a quality-controlled trial management system, Qctms, offering much more than any other system. Qctms is provided as an effective risk management tool in accordance with ICH Q9 to identify and evaluate risks before problems occur. As opposed to other CTMS solutions, Qctms has been developed by a clinical study team of experienced project managers, clinical monitors, and GCP auditors. The systematic functionality is highly adaptable to sponsor-specific workflows and terminologies. With Qctms, clients do not need to modify their working practices and compromise with inflexible, rigid functionality. The system is capable of managing any trial regardless of its complexity and support organizations of any size and global reach. Containing all operational trial data, Qctms allows consistent and accurate information to be shared across companies, partners, and service providers, thereby facilitating timely and informed decision-making. Qctms is available as an on-demand software-as-service application, enabling customers to enjoy rapid and flexible deployment of our clinical trial management system solution. Designed to maximize the benefit of natural trial process workflows, Qctms enables users to plan, design, collaborate, and conduct their clinical trial programs from a single point. The automated integration with different Qctms modules allows users to seamlessly share trial data without having to duplicate activities, helping your entire organization benefit from the true power of Qctms. Our solution currently contains the following components: Qctms Project Management, Qctms Risk Management, Qctms Electronic Data Capture, Qctms Interactive Response Technology, Qctms Trial Master File, Qctms PM. Supports project management teams by allowing them to retain oversight on large trials. It controls budgets, investigator fees, milestones, timelines, enrollment, and subject visit status. It gives automatic instructions and guidance to the clinical monitoring teams who can report offline on-site information during site visits or during their journeys to the system. All tools work with standard software. No additional software needs to be installed on the computers of Qctms users. Qctms RM makes your projects transparent for project teams. It analyzes, tracks, and alerts key risk factors of all projects and trials through the countries and sites involved, to the details of the patients and their progress throughout the trial. Qctms also documents your corrective and preventative actions, CAPA, to avoid critical audit and/or inspection findings. Qctms TMF. The electronic trial master file of Qctms can be fully adjusted according to the individual SOPs of the sponsor or CRO. The centralized approach is an excellent solution for multinational trials. Documents of each attending country can be filed and maintained centrally from the first day on until the end of the study. Security, access control, and movement control is continuously ensured. With one click, you receive a complete folder tree of your TMF. Qctms EDC. The eCRF module of Qctms provides everything modern eCRFs can provide. The advantages of receiving real-time data faster, database logs, and increased data quality is commonly known. The reason for not using EDC is usually the higher price compared to paper-based CRFs. Using Qctms EDC does not increase project costs, even for smaller projects. In connection with the RM and PM modules of Qctms, projects can be run for 30% lower costs while achieving a higher level of quality. Qctms IRT. The interactive response technology of Qctms allows centralized web-based randomization and drug assignment in an extremely user-friendly way. We know that site personnel are normally not very knowledgeable in sophisticated IT environments. This fact alone allows us to develop a simple, easy-to-use electronic tool which ensures absolute compliance by every user. Qctms reflects what the competent authorities currently require and is also well structured to reflect their upcoming future requirements. The use of Qctms not only effectively improves quality, but also saves money by saving manpower and time. Qctms, a comprehensive project management and quality risk management tool. A flexible system, adaptable for each sponsor and every study. The development of innovative products needs innovative technologies. GCP Service developed Qctms, the new generation of electronic trial management systems. Unfortunately, we cannot show you everything Qctms is able to do on this video, but we would be more than happy to show you more about Qctms personally. Hence, if you want to make your study better, contact us. GCP Service. Make your study better.